This is the Casio digital piano PX-700. So problem is this key. See, and this is a good one. The bad one. Sink down. The first step is to uninstall all the screw here. Uninstall this board. I'm going to uninstall all this screw. So I have removed all the screw here. As you can see, all screw has been removed. And now I'm going to, you can see here, just this slide, you can open. See here, just pull a bit. You can just pull. So I'm going to pull all the way down, all the way out. Here, just pull, and here, just pull. So everything, this board, just pull it out. So you can see from here, this is the one I pull out. So this piano, this is how it looks like after it's being pulled out. So okay. So after dismantle the cover, you can see here, you just pull, you just rotate. So you can see it's being here. So this is just a gadget. So just simply hold and pull. There you can see. Okay, the next step, you can see there's a plate here. We're going to remove this plate so that this screw, this gear can come out from here. It can come out, and there's something to block here. We're going to remove this also. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so the screw has been removed. So I'm going to remove this part. Okay, you can see it's from here. So this guy has been removed. Okay, we have removed this. And this purpose is to let this gear follow through and come out. But the problem is, and this gadget, this plate, will block this. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's focus on this gear. I'm going to pull all the way up. From here, it will go down. It will go out. Okay. Here, you can see. See, it's coming out. There you go. See this gear? It can come out. But the question is, the block is here. So if I pull up, it's being blocked. So I'm not able to take out this cover unless I remove this metal plate. So the next step is, I'm going to remove this metal plate. So you can see this metal plate from here is being removed. Now I face the problem here is I'm able to remove this screw, but however this screw has been damaged. So it's supposed to be here. Give you the overview. And this is the metal plate. I have removed one screw, but this screw is damaged, so I can't remove. So what I do is I just rotate it. Well, it works anyway. So the purpose is to remove this plate so that I can lift up this whole plate. So you can see there's a groove here. This groove is for this gadget. Okay, you can just remove the whole cover. So you can see from here, there's this little pin. In fact, is for this little groove. You can see from this groove, or here, this groove is for this pin. Same thing. I come to here, and this is the cover. You can see this is a pin, and this is a pin is for this groove. Can you see the groove here? From here all the way to here. There's a pin for this groove. So now I have dismantled the cover. Now we have this metal plate. So we are going to remove this metal plate. So we have one screw here, 2, 3. So I'm going to remove this metal plate. So this is the metal plate. I have removed the screw 1, 2, 3, and you see carefully. So you have to push this direction forward. Push, and also push the direction, push, then you can remove. Okay. Okay. Then you can remove this plate. The next one, we have this. So we're going to remove these two screws also. So this is from the wheel. I'm going to remove this metal plate with these two screws. So this is the metal plate just now. So I have dismantled the screw and this screw, and it's from this position, and we'll just remove it. Okay, we are going to remove this white one. So come here, you can see here, plug it in, tilt up, just go forward, see? Yep, see? Remove. So just now we try to remove this, but it doesn't work because this guy is being blocked. So we got to dismantle the whole thing out so that we can remove it. Okay, we are going to remove some screw at the bottom. So you can see there are many screws here. So I gotta remove all the bottom of the screw. Okay. I'm gonna remove all the bottom of the screw. These are the screws from the first row at the bottom. You can see from here. So the screw is actually at the bottom. the first row. You can see from here. The first row. And another one. Okay. And this one. And this. And here. And here. The end. So it's the first row for. So we are going to dismantle this. So after remove the first row of the screw at the bottom, so from here to this angle, you can see that there's a green cable. So come, you see from here I remove the whole thing. But be careful. See, there's a green button cable here. Be careful, don't damage it. As you can see on top. You can see it here. There's a green cable here. Just be careful, don't unplug it. Now we are going to remove this key. So can here zoom in. Just plug it in. See from here. Plug it in. So you can see this has been removed. So you see on top. Just remove, okay? Okay, now after we have removed this bottom of the screw, this be careful, gentle open, and be careful the cable there, don't unplug it. So just now we have removed this white key. So now I'm going to pull it out these pieces out a bit so that I can zoom in here. Remove this white key. See? Now I can remove this white key because I managed to open these pieces slightly. Now after that I can pull it back. Just be careful, use something to hold it. Block it so that this little piece won't drop. So this is a broken one. So you can see the metal is without the black things because the black one is the one being spoiled. So we're going to replace it. Now I just remove one more black key. So you can see the good one. And the bad one is the without the black rubber. Yeah. Okay, this is the spoiled pieces being teared to 3 pieces, and this is the good one. And do remember there's a W. W is for the white key. Okay, if you buy a black one, there's a B for black. For white, it's W for white. Okay, this is the good one. W for white. Okay, see? There's a W here. This means white. This is a white rubber. This is a W. So you can see there's a big hole. And the other one is there's a 2 hole. So what I'll do is for this 2 hole, you use this 2 hole portion. This is a 2 hole portion. So ensure the W is tilted in this way. So you can see there's a 2 hole here. So this 2 hole you're going to slot inside to the metal. So remember there's a W here, and the 2-hole W position this way and slot inside to the metal. So you can see this is the W and this is the 2-hole. So you slot the top one, not the bottom hole, okay? There's a top hole on top. So you use a top hole and slot into the metal. Okay, the right one, the black rubber is the one I installed just now. F21 key. So we are going to put a white key. I shift out a bit so that I can go in. So from here, dislocate this wheel. I just tuck it in. Okay, voila, finish. So the F21 key, this is the one that is sunken. Now it has been repaired. It's been fat level by changing the rubber. So you can see this is the one spot. F21 key is back to normal. Okay, the key pad has been repaired, so we have to install back the first row of the screw, okay, in order to fasten these pieces. So we're going to install back the first row of the screw to install this, so that to fasten this plate. The next step is install back this metal plate. Okay, we're going to install this metal bar. So you can see here, there's a screw hole at 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to. You can see here. You can see inside. There's a clip on it. So what I'm going to do, just over here and flip over. Okay, so tighten 1 screw, 2 screw, and 3 screw, and you can zoom out. You see, this is the whole metal plate. Thank you. So we have installed the metal plate. Now we're going to install the cover. Next is to install this cover. So there's a track. Follow the groove here. Something. There's a track. Follow the groove there, so that it can shift inside. See? Going to install this. Can you see this gear? Come from here. So this metal, press down. The other side, same thing also. There's a metal. Press down the metal, then the gear pass through this gadget. You can see there's a slot here. So the metal press down, the gear pressing it and going. Let me show you. So first press down this metal. After pressing down, rotate it. Let the gear go in. So you see the gear go in already. The other side also. Once the gear go in, you see my middle finger, I let go the metal. See? Same thing for the other side, so that it can go up. Thank you. Okay, after install this, we're going to install this plate. Okay, install this plate. after install this, we have to remember to install this. Okay, in order to prevent the gear being dropped down, so we have to install this both sides here and also here. Okay, so that the gear won't drop down. Now the final part is this. Install this. How you install it? Come here. So just push it in. You can come here. This view. You can see here. Yep. So just push it in. The other side also. Just push it in. Yep. Then come here. Just install back all these screws. Voila, finish. This is Casio PX-700 after repair. The key able to bounce back.